Yo, what's up guys? How's going and how it's doing guys? Today's video we're gonna see how you can make a $50 with just your phone over and over again guys. Stay tuned for more. Okay guys, in this video we're gonna see some make of a good amount of money with this website guys, or else the app. You can make some good amount of money guys, like a shit amount of money. You can make lots of amount of money guys. Without any further ado guys, let's dive into this video guys. The first website, the first top app you can install on your phone and get paid lots of money guys, and you do not do nothing guys, just install an app and get paid guys. The first app we're gonna see is called Make Money guys, or mcmoneyapp.com guys. I leave a link below in the description. Go check in the description and get paid guys easily. Go click the link in the description and get paid easily guys. I always leave a link in description, so hit the subscribe button for me guys. And this is the apps you can install on your phone and get paid guys. Like I said, it's a makemoneyapp.com guys. Come on to this website and click download guys. I'm more sorry for that. This is only available in Android guys. If you have iPhone devices, sorry guys, apology me guys. This is only available in Android guys. If you have an iPhone or any other things, go watch my other videos and get paid lots of money with this guys. That's simple. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share and comment below guys. And let's dive into the video guys. And this is the website. Like I said, just install an app and you can receive a message from companies around the world guys, and you just get paid guys, easy money guys. And I show how it's work in the mobile phone. I already install an app and get paid guys. A simple method you can get paid easily guys. And watch till end, I show how it's look like, and I also show another website like similar to this guys, and you can combine together, you can make some good amount of money guys. This is a simple method, you can make some good amount of money with this guys. And like I said, the people are making good amount of money. Warren Smith actually earning a few bucks with this app guys, just a few bucks. Warren Smith and Casey and Martin Telford, these people are making some good amount of money with this app. You can make too guys. Just install an app on your Android device. Sorry for not working in iPhone. You can make some good amount of money with this guys. The simple method, you can make some good amount of money guys. And this is the frequently asked question guys. Just how does Make Money app work guys? Like I said, it's send you a message from all over around the company in the world guys. Just to receive a message, this company is not taking any private information from you guys. Just to install an app, you don't be panic guys, or don't be afraid. This company is not just to take any information from you guys, just to send you a message and you can get paid guys. That's a simple method, you can just pay guys. Like I said, I show the second method, you can make some good amount of money and combine together, you can make some lots of money with this guys. And I show the second website is called Money SMS guys. I already told about this video. I already uploaded the video about how to make money online by just receiving company guys. If you don't watch, go to my channel and watch guys. The simple method, you can make some good amount of money guys. And this is the website. Like I said guys, you can combine together and make some good amount of money guys. And I show how it's working and how the dashboard look like. So watch till end and get paid some good amount of money guys. And like I said, this is similar to this website. Just install an app and get paid. And this company send you SMS through your company, and don't be afraid, this company take any private information. Just an app guys. Just install an app and get paid some good amount of money with this app. This company, both companies have a referral program guys. You just refer your friend and get paid some good amount of percentage from your referral or your friend's income guys. The simple method, just install an app and get your referral program. And this company has 30% of your friend's income you can get if you refer your friend guys. Like I said, it's only available in Android, not iPhone. Sorry for iPhone users, but I also have iPhone device, but I install on my Android. I show how it's work and how you can make some good amount of money with this guys. And come on to this website. Always I leave a link in description. Go click the link and get paid guys. Simple method, go click the link and install an app and get paid. Okay guys, sorry for the commenting. And this is the app, like I said guys. And without any further ado guys, I show how's the mobile version look like, and how you can make money, and how you can even further to make some good amount of money guys. And I show little trick. Go to the mobile phone guys. Yo guys, welcome to my super duper phone guys. I already installed 2 app in my phone guys. You see this, the 2 app I already installed. I show how it's work and how you can make some good amount of money with this guys. Let's go to the first app, the money app guys. In this last 30 day I receive a 38 message guys. With a 30th message I earn almost 1.97 euros guys. If you have minimum withdrawal, just 2 euros guys. Once you hit a 2 euro, you just hit withdraw button guys. Just click the withdraw button, you can get paid. Simple method guys. Just hit a withdraw button and get paid guys. The simple method. If you want to refer your friend, just go to the setting guys and click a referral program, and this is your referral code guys, and I leave my referral link below guys. If you want to help my channel, click the referral link and get paid your money guys, and you just receive a 0.25 euro bonus if you enter my referral guys. The simple, just this 25 cents of euro you can get paid by just installing the app and put my referral into the box of referral guys. That's a simple method. This is the first app. You can make some good amount of money just doing nothing guys. That's the first method. You can do nothing. This guys, this is a referral program and I already received guys. Once you need install this app, just always on the Wi-Fi or internet connection guys, then only you can receive the message from the all over the countries guys. Just install an app guys and turn on the internet connection, then only you can receive a message. It's applicable for both app guys. Just go to the second app guys. It's a similar app like I said, and this is look like a similar one guys. Just to make money, I just installed and I just got a 4 cents of euro guys. This is the minimum withdrawal is $1 guys, and the external app is $2 euros. In this app it's just $1 guys. You can easily get $1 within 50 days guys. If you hit a $1, just a withdraw button and get paid. It's a simple method guys. It's also a referral program guys. Come to this website, click an account, just put some good idea and get some idea guys. This simple method, you can make some good amount of money guys. And I hope guys this video is to help you guys to make some good amount of money. Okay guys, I hope this video helps you a lot to make some money. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, share and feel free to comment below guys. Okay guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace out.